Good morning, loungers. What's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Say good morning. Put that down back, Germs. Remember, we don't touch Yandy. Say good morning.
Good morning, y'all.
Say good morning.
Good morning to us. Good morning.
Say good morning.
I like
what you got?
Hey, that's mine.
Okay, King. We're gonna be nice. We're gonna be nice about it. Do you hear me?
Yeah. Look.
So the kids and I are all up. Quan just left to go to school. Today is Wednesday. As I told you guys before, King's out of school for Thanksgiving break. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
We're gonna make a cake today.
We may be making the cake today. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow.
Yeah, and we got a cupcake.
So wait, hey Keegan, you have to be really gentle, okay?
And we're gonna get you.
But yeah, so it's rainy and nasty outside today. I got quite a few things I have to do. Not too much. I have to clean the kitchen. I have to make breakfast for the kids. I'm taking Charlie's hair out. No, baby. No, baby. Keegan be wanting to be a big brother. Yeah, I want to just be a big brother.
But I'm a big brother. I'm the
That's
the first one that came out.
But yeah, they're throwing me off, y'all. I haven't had no coffee this morning. I'm trying to. One of my old school friends told me that I learned something new about breastfeeding every day. What, babe?
Baba.
That you're not supposed to drink a lot of coffee because it can affect your milk supply. So I'm gonna try to limit my coffee. Today is the stop, Keegan, stop, babe. So like I was saying, y'all, today is the day before Thanksgiving, so I have to make a cake. I might make it tomorrow, the day of, because it's not going to be too much that I have to do, versus letting it sit overnight. So I might do that tomorrow, but I have to take Charlie's hair out because it's looking frizzy, and I don't do frizzy. But yeah, it was just a rainy day in the house today, so I'm a vlog. Of course, take you guys along with me. I'm about to change. Ooh, bless you. I'm about to change this little lady and get our day started. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. This is day 4 of straight vlogs, daily vlogs. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. But let me get her changed and cook the kids some breakfast, and I'll chit chat with you guys in a few. Okay, y'all, so the kids are having some grapes, hash brown sausage, and peanut butter bagels for breakfast this morning. I'm currently boiling, sterilizing Noble's bottles. And then I'm about to feed the kids. You wiping your face? Everything's hot, Charlie. You have to wait. Y'all have to wait, okay? Nobody's about to burn their mouth, okay? Good? Yeah, good? Yeah? Is it good, Manny?
Yeah.
I told y'all he says no for everything. Y'all gotta wipe your nose, buddy. Let me see, you got a scratch on your face. What happened? That's not, what is that, King?
Pork chalk.
What's pork chalk? Show me, what's pork chalk?
Potato pork chalk.
No, it's a hash brown, baby. Good, Stink? Okay. You're gonna do your hair when you're done, okay? Okay, also the kids have ate. I haven't ate breakfast yet, but that's usually how the morning goes. I end up getting something for lunch. It's kind of brunch time, so I let them watch TV up until they ate breakfast, and now I'm probably going to put Keegan down for a nap because he sounds really irritated and irritable. I made my bed because if I don't make it, I'll get right back in it with Noble and be in here asleep all day. I'm going to have to vacuum these floors. I still got to take Charlie's hair out, and yeah, so we'll probably watch a movie or something while I do that. And then I'm going to do her hair because, like I said, Thanksgiving is tomorrow. And I'm not with the frizzy hair thing. So that's the agenda. And probably pump so that I can feed Noble when she wakes up. Okay, guys. So I started taking Charlie's hair out. But she started to get a little irritable. Like she needed a nap. So she wanted to take a nap. So I just let her. Plus, she's 2 years old. I'm not going to make her sit through a whole hairstyle like that. So of course she takes a lot of breaks, but that's fine. So she's napping, Keegan's napping, Noble is napping. Let me show y'all. And King is about to color. We're watching Santa Claus 2. King is over here coloring. And then Noble is right here. So yeah, I get a little bit of me time too as well. My broom broke, y'all, so I gotta go buy a new broom. Maybe I was sweeping too hard. But I gotta buy a new broom. And I talked to my mom. She said that she was going to go get my grandma, which I'm so excited about. I love seeing my grandma, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. So she went to go get my grandma, and they're going to be doing their dishes today. And I might stop by there because I really want my mom to make some broccoli and cheese casserole, and it is just so good. So I'm going to buy her all the stuff to make it because I don't know how to make it, and drop that off so she can make that. And you guys know Quan is on this healthy streak, which I need to be on it too, but I promise after Thanksgiving I'm going to be done. Like, I'm not eating no more junk food. I'm going to try to cut out my sweets and get my body back, y'all, because this gut ain't it. I was looking at my sister's video, her story time video, and I'm like, ooh, I just look so fat in the video. Like, I really want her to take that video down because I feel like I look so fat and just oily and just, ugh. But it is what it is. It's motivation, y'all. So I'll be done with the junk food. Hopefully I can lose about 10 pounds before Christmas. That is the goal. Of course, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. But yeah, so I got to go by my mom's later. Oh, also, I don't know if I told you guys, but I ordered the kids some cute little outfits for tomorrow for Thanksgiving. And they came, so I'm going to have to go to my office because they don't drop the stuff off at the door like packages. And that's another thing. I wonder if they're going to drop my tree off at the office too, but once Quan gets here, it's still kind of gloomy and rainy outside. So once Quan gets here, I'm going to run through to the office and get my package so that I got a few packages up there at the office. It's just hard to get up there when it's just me and the kids here, so I'm definitely going to go and do that. And show you guys what the outfits look like because they're so cute. I mean, they're just Thanksgiving colors, and I feel like they needed cute Thanksgiving outfits because y'all know how I am about taking pictures. I'm not going to be in no pictures this year. Promise you that much. But, yeah. So, I'm just kind of hanging out in my room until Charlie wakes back up, and I'm probably going to go on Pinterest and try to find, like, a cute little hairstyle I can do because I'm not good at braiding like how my sister did her hair. So, I'll figure it out. But yeah, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, y'all. I hope all of you have a wonderful Thanksgiving because you will see this vlog on Thanksgiving. So, or no, what's today? Wednesday? If I be able to edit and upload by tonight, then you'll see it tonight. But I still want you guys to have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope everyone spends time with their family and enjoy some good food. And yeah. But I'm probably about to try to go eat something real quick because I need to put something in my body and drink some water because I ain't really been drinking water like that. But I didn't have a cup of coffee this morning, which I'm surprised I'm doing pretty well without having a cup of coffee. But yeah, so I'm going to do that and just relax for a little bit until Charlie wakes back up, and then we'll go from there. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I've completely taken her hair out. It's so much hair. I don't know where she got all this hair from. Where you get all this hair from, Charlie?
Um, from my,
Come here. We gotta finish it. So now that it's taken out, I'm gonna go ahead and do it really, really quick and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with Charlie's hair. She's been in there playing, so she got something in her hair already. But whatever, turn around so I can see, so I can show them. This is the back. I actually just took a Pinterest idea, and her shirt is on inside out. I just took a Pinterest idea and made it my own. She's trying to see y'all. Looks so cute, mamas. You like it? Okay, guys, so I'm annoyed. I'm irritated because I ordered the kids' outfits like I told you guys earlier that I was going to go to the office and pick them up once Quan got here because I wasn't able to do it with all the kids and it was raining outside. So I tried to go up there, and usually the office doesn't close until 5:30, but today I seen her car the first time I went up there. So I'm sitting out there like waiting and waiting and waiting. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe she just went to like give somebody an apartment tour. So I came right back to the house. I'm like, okay, she got to be in there on the way out if I take Quan to work. So Quan's just like, run up there one more time before I go to work because I really wasn't trying to take all the kids out in the rain. Went back up there and her damn car was gone, y'all. The office won't be open up until next Monday. So there goes the kids' Thanksgiving outfits. Like, I'm just so irritated. I hate when I try to plan something ahead and then it doesn't work out the way I want it to work out. But whatever. I'll just go tomorrow and pick them up something cute to wear. I'm just one of those moms who like taking pictures of my kids. I like my kids to look nice when we're going places. Like, that's just me. Like, I like for them to have new things on. So that's why I'm irritated about it. It's nothing that can't be fixed, but it's just irritating. Like, but whatever. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider clicking that subscribe button down below to become a lounger. I love you guys. To the moon back, and we'll see you guys